again to Sailing with Jacq. It's always nice to see you coming back, and we are here in Saint Martin. At the time, we were in need of replacing our ceiling lights. Some of them weren't working properly anymore or have kind of corroded, so got a whole bunch of new ones. But the issue was we just couldn't find the proper grinder to make the proper hole. Just make the hole bigger, so to say, so you could see that's what we had as tools. And David's always not giving up. He goes, it's like, okay, I can do it some other ways as long as it works and it's all proper. He finds all kinds of ways of fixing things, and they are beautifully installed, working. That's another one that we need to replace. So you can see he's just putting the electrical stuff in and or hooking up the lights to it, and we're all good to go. So what do you do when you don't have the right tools? You just kind of work around, right? We all know that. Sometimes you just have to kind of find another solution to make it work, and they are all perfectly working. So thanks for watching again. Come and join me and we'll sail away with you. Bye for now.